Hello and welcome to week 5 of Shaw University's summer online class, English 111. Yes, week 5, woo! So we are second to last week here, and what are we doing? Well, you're watching this video, you have some readings in, did you? Yeah, more readings, fun. And you're going to take a quiz on bias in writing, and you can start working on paper 3. What? Okay. So bias in writing, all the information, the answers and stuff you need are going to be found in the readings for Odigia. So read the readings and then take the quiz. Again, the idea here is to help you recognize when you include bias or your own opinions in a research paper, which should not be there. Again, you lose credibility by doing this, by including bias in a paper that should not have bias. Yeah. So, and then you get to write another research paper. Yeah. So for the first paper, you wrote a narration paper. Second paper, you learned how to write a research paper. This one, you're practicing what you learned from writing paper 2 and writing another research paper, because that's the main goal of this class, is for you to be able to write a research paper using cited sources and all those kind of things. So chances are you, when you did paper 2, you learned a whole bunch of things. You feel like, oh, I could probably do better. So now you're going to write another research paper. The instructions are very similar. Whoop. Click on this. Very similar. Major difference is the refutation paper. Refutation section is down here, lower on. Honestly, as for your instructor, I don't really particularly care where you put the refutation, as long as you do. But again, 3 sources, 2 to 5 pages in length. Now, the thing is, you cannot use the same topic you use for paper 2. You need to use a different paper, a different topic. Again, so a great place to find topics is procon.org. So if you wrote a paper on abortion for the second paper and you're writing another one, you have to pick a different topic, like illegal immigration or gun control or animal testing or something. Student loan debt, something like this. So you need to pick a different topic than paper 2. And then the first draft is due this week. Okay. And we won't have time, because we're going to run out of time, we won't have time to do peer feedback, so I will just have my feedback. So all you're doing this week, again, is watching this video right now. Then you're going to read the readings in Odigia so you can take the quiz, bias in writing, and you start working on your first full draft of paper 3, which again is a research paper, which we learned how to do earlier in this class. Submit that. So that's what's happening this week. So basically just a quiz and some readings and the first draft of your research paper. So I can give you feedback on what you need to do to fix it for the best one. All right. That's it for week 5. All right. Go get her done.